Welcome back to Quizzers. Let's dive into Would You Rather popular candy and sweets. Will you pick popular candy or classic sweets? If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather pick lemon heads or go for atomic fireballs? Which chewy treat wins? High chew or now and later? What's your pick? Milk duds or whoppers? Would you snack on caramel blasts or M&Ms? Which flavor explosion? Doritos, Cool Ranch, or Cheetos Flamin' Hot? Which sour treat takes the crown? Crawly Sour Crawlers or Peach Sour Patch Kids? Would you rather taste the rainbow with Skittles or pucker up with sour rolls? Which candy classic wins Gobstopper or Runts? What's your flavor? Pez or Bund Dip? Burger King Sundae or McDonald's Sundae? Which one is the ultimate dessert? Would you eat a moldy cake or like this video? What's your drink? Soda or juice? Would you cool off with stracciatella ice cream or strawberry ice cream? Which one gets your vote? M&Ms or lemon bars? Which fluffy delight? Berliner or donuts? Would you rather enjoy Cadbury eggs or Oreo eggs? Which one's your sip? Pepsi maple syrup or Sprite? Twix bar or tiramisu? What's your sweet pick? What's your frozen delight, ice cream or frozen yogurt? Which treat wins peppermint patty or chocolate eclair? Which chocolate brand is your favorite? Cadbury Dairy Milk or Lindt Lindor? Which candy bar do you grab? Bounty or Milky Way? Brownie or cookie? Which one satisfies your cravings? What's your dessert choice? Oreo Supreme or s'mores? Would you snack on caramel popcorn or cotton candy? Which donut wins, Oreo donuts or Nutella donuts? Which snack is better, Goldfish baked snack crackers or Scooby snacks? Subscribe or have cavities? What's your pick? Would you munch on chocolate bars or gummy bears? Vanilla cupcake or chocolate cupcake? Which one is the best? White chocolate or dark chocolate? What's your chocolate of choice? Milk chocolate or Kit Kat? Which one's better? Lollipop or cotton candy? And what's the ultimate fair treat? Milk chocolate or dark chocolate? And which one wins? Strawberry cheesecake or blueberry cheesecake? What's your pick? Which dessert takes the win? Sweethearts or macaron? Would you rather spread marshmallow fluff or Lotus Biscoff spread? Toffee or marshmallow? Which one's the best? Which treat wins? Bucky or chocolate chip cookies? Dum Dums or pound cake? What's your pick? Red velvet cake or carrot cakes? Which slice do you grab first? Which chocolate bar wins, Hershey's Gold or Toblerone? Would you rather enjoy Skittles or Sour Rolls? Would you eat Barf Bean Boozled or like and subscribe? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.